Hi, in this video, we will learn how hydropower plants converts the energy of flowing water into electrical power. First, we will see the arrangements of hydropower plant. A very important part of the hydropower plant is a dam. The function of a dam in hydroelectric projects is to create an artificial head and storage. It is the most expensive and important part of the hydro projects. The selection of type of dam for a particular location depends on the topography of the site, geological condition, and also condition of the soil. Next important part of the hydropower plant is a penstock. A penstock is a pipe which carries water from the water storage system to the turbine. A valve is inserted which controls the water flow to the turbine. The diameter of a penstock may be up to few meters for large units. Each turbine in the power plant has a separate penstock. Another important part of the hydropower plant is hydraulic turbine. It converts the energy of water into mechanical energy, which drives the alternator. Hydraulic turbines are highly efficient. Their efficiency sometimes exceeds 90% at full load. Now we will see operation of hydropower plant. The dam is constructed across a river or lake, and water from the catchment area collects at the back side of the dam to form the reservoir. A pressure tunnel is taken off from the reservoir and water brought to the valve at the start of the penstock. Pressure tunnel is used to apply pressure to the water. When we open the valve, water is taken to the water turbine through penstock. The water turbine converts hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. The turbine drives the alternator which is coupled to the turbine and which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. A tail race is required to discharge the water leaving the turbine to the river. The load on an alternator keeps fluctuating. Therefore, water intake to the turbine has to be regulated according to the load. At the time of reduction in load on an alternator, the flow of water also to be reduced. Therefore, the valve is closed. Due to the sudden closure of the valve, there can be possibility of increase in pressure in the penstock, which is known as water hammer. Due to water hammer, there can be possibility of bursting of penstock. To avoid these conditions, a surge tank is built which absorbs the pressure of the penstock and prevent the water hammer. At the time of decrease in load demand, surge tank collects water from the penstock, which results in a rise in water level in the surge tank. At the time of increased load on an alternator, valve has to be opened to admit more water onto the turbine. Due to opening of valve, there is a tendency to create a vacuum in the penstock. So, an increase in load demand causes water to flow out of surge tank, thus lowering the water level in surge tank. Thus, the surge tank helps in stabilizing the velocity and pressure in the penstock. And reduces water hammer and vacuum. Few things that a project engineer must consider while selecting the site for hydropower plant, such as the power station should be near the dam and storage reservoir. Such a location reduces length of the penstock. The river runoff data of many years should be available so that an estimation of power potential of the project can be made. The data should include minimum, maximum, and average flows and their periods. Because of wide fluctuation in stream flows, storage is needed in most hydro projects to store water during the high flow periods and use it during lean flow periods. The storage reservoir must be located near the power plant or some distance away from the power plant. Geological investigation is needed to see that the foundation rock for the dam and other structure is firm, stable, and strong enough to withstand the water thrust and other stress. The area should also be free from earthquakes. Polluted water may cause excessive corrosion and damage to metallic structure of the turbine. This may render the operation of the plant unreliable and uneconomical. Therefore, it is necessary to see that the water is of good quality. The capacity of storage reservoir is reduced due to gradual deposition of silt. It may also damage the blades of the turbine. Every dam is provided with an arrangement to discharge excess water during floods. This arrangement may be a spillway or a bypass tunnel or a conduit. The spillway should be so designed as to discharge the major floodwater without damage to the dam, but at the same time maintained a predetermined head. Construction of hydro projects involves transport of huge amount of cement, steel, other building materials and heavy machineries. The site selected should be such that the railway lines and roads can be constructed and materials and machinery can be easily transported. Hydro projects cover huge areas and many villages. The site should ensure safe and pleasant surroundings, avoid health hazards, and preserve important cultural and historic aspects of the area. So friends, I hope you enjoyed learning about hydropower plant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts in the comment box. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more such interesting videos. Till time, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.